My name's Dawn Lawrence and I'm leading on the local solutions for children and families. What does local solutions mean for local people? It means access to support at the earliest opportunity, support from a wide range of services local, the model's conversation-led, relationship-based, which enables swift local solutions to support families for everyday issues when things become difficult.
I'm Sandra Smith. A few weeks ago we were having problems with my son. I was called into school because his behaviour was at an all-time low. He'd run off into the community and the police had been called in. I went in and spoke to the safeguarding officer and I just lost it. I was an emotional mess, crying, and I think it all stemmed from the fact that we were all living on top of each other. Freddie especially were finding it very difficult. There was nowhere in the house for him to go. The safeguarding officer at school told me about the solutions group and said that I should go along there and let them know what my issues were. Really good. We had a long conversation about all the issues surrounding my housing and the difficulties it was causing for the family. 8 of us living in a 3-bedroomed house, it wasn't ideal. Thanks to them, we've addressed the situation. We're now in a house that is better for us as a family. At this time, I don't feel that I do need any more support, but I do know where to go if I need it.
My name's Ruth Reel, I'm the Senko at Hexthorpe Academy. The main difference the local solutions group has cut down on the paperwork and the time it takes to get in referrals to get support for children. So whereas before we were identifying solutions, it then took a long time to see some movement on them. We're now able to sit down, have the conversation and find that the issues aren't building up and compacting over time, but we're able to resolve them in a much quicker way. This has changed the dynamic between school and parents, which is now much more positive, and parents are seeing school as the hub of being solution focused for a multitude of issues that they bring to school. So it's seeing really positive impact.
A local solutions group which includes early help coordinator, PAFS worker, parents and family support worker, strong communities officers, social care, children's social care and key members of the community. We meet twice a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday morning between 9 and 11, and that's in school, Hexthorpe Primary, term time, and out of term time we meet at the local family hub on Welcome Way. As meetings were 9 and 11 and we discuss, we have conversations referred into us of families looking for support. We also discuss issues that take place in the community. We've got the strong communities officers who are able to expand social behaviour and different housing issues that the families experience in Hexthorpe. We also have pillars of the community. We have a lady from the Junction who does attend. Today we've had a fire safety lady attending. We've had with a secondary school where a lot of the young people in the community will attend, and we're looking at putting that support back as very early help rather than having to put a referral into the front door, and it's getting away from using referral and having it as more of a conversation-based support.